All kinds of nutritional elements have an important role to keep the body healthy and healthy. In this, calcium also contributes to strengthening the body. Lack of calcium makes the body weak, which makes it easy to fall prey to any disease. Nowadays, not only women but also men, calcium deficiency problems are increasing rapidly. The reason behind this is the deteriorating routine and changing food habits. Many people are unable to pay special attention to their body due to the rush of work, due to which calcium deficiency occurs in the body. Begin yoga in this way. This is the perfect mantra to stay fit. No 10 easy yoga poses. By the way, in most of the conditions, there is a lack of calcium deficiency, due to which the victim keeps eating medicines to diagnose many more problems. But the problem remains the same and the victim gradually gets caught in many more diseases. So today we will tell you about the signs, which start appearing just before the calcium deficiency in the body. If you see such signs in you or in any person around you, immediately consult a doctor and take calcium replenishing medicines in the body. By doing this you can avoid many serious diseases. These 4 color codes show whether toothpaste is chemically or not. It affects health. Calcium deficiency signs before this condition becomes in the body. Pain starts in the extremities. Due to lack of calcium, the problem of tooth decay starts to occur. Due to lack of calcium, the problem of muscle spasms starts in our body. Due to lack of calcium, our nails become very weak and break. Also, hair also starts falling out. Our memory starts getting weak and the problem of depression increases. These are the symptoms that occur in the body before calcium occurs. The onset of this serious problem leads to increased weakness and fatigue. There is no mind at all in some work, as well as a little work, bones begin to ache. If you have pain in your feet, you may have a heart attack. This is how you can identify symptoms and solutions. These are effective solutions. Those who think that they cannot lack calcium in their body, then it is wrong. Not only old people but also people of all ages are also deficient in calcium. Get blood tests done to find calcium deficiency and get other lab tests done by your doctor. From week to week, digestive power will also be so strong. These food supplements supply calcium. Dairy product: milk, cheese, yogurt. The vegetables: broccoli, black gram and okra, green leafy vegetables. Nuts: dry grapes, raisins, almonds, pistachios, walnuts, melon seeds, pumpkin seeds. The fruit consumption of fruits like orange, pineapple, banana, avocado, kiwi, fig, dates, mulberry, etc. Also, the sufferer should take adequate amount of sunlight. Also subscribe my channel.